Hello and welcome to the virtual Grafton High School open house. My name is Stephen Trombley and I am the director of the Jazz Workshop, and I'm glad that I get to work with your students in a unique environment such as Jazz Workshop. This year it's even more unique than ever because we're trying to figure out how to work around some of the restrictions brought on by COVID, which means we are finding creative ways to become more of a studio lab group than a live performing ensemble. One way we're doing that is we're taking advantage of a program called Soundtrap, which is a web-based recording studio. So as we develop ideas and study the styles of music that are involved in jazz, we're going to try to put our ideas into recordings that can happen from school, at home, wherever the ideas strike to make music. We can try to record them and capture them. With the goal, hopefully, of one day this year being able to play together again live. That's obviously our goal. But we're going to take advantage of the talents and the skills of the students to make original and jazz-oriented music. And so I look forward to seeing what kind of results we have. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. But right now we're having a good time just trying to figure out our way through this, and we're looking forward to the results. If you ever have any questions and want to reach out to me, my email address is included in the description of this video, but it's trombleys@grafton.k12.ma.us, and looking forward to a great year in Jazz Workshop. Take care.